Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade food dehydrator. First, let's go over the materials you're going to need to make one of these. You'll need saran wrap to cover over the black box. You will also need some scrap cardboard and duct tape. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect the long black box to the regular sized box. The next step is to make a cardboard vent right where you just connected the two boxes together. This provides that there will be better ventilation and there will be less escape of heat. The next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay saran wrap over the top of the black box. The saran wrap helps to trap in heated air, and so it's forced out the vented area. The next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay cheesecloth over the larger box and make sure it's pulled tight and taped down. Okay, now with all these steps done, we can take a look at the final product and you can get to using it.